All right, I'm at this little cemetery here today. I'm in Siloam Springs, Arkansas. Hastie. Kind of interesting. This area here is very rapidly developing. There's kind of booming construction in this area, and I saw this and it looked like a very old cemetery, so I thought I'd come check it out. Sorry for all the background noise. Put in. It was dated 1907. So yeah, definitely a 100-year-old cemetery. There was, 40, 50 years ago, there was probably very little here. These are all brand new construction. So this would have been a very peaceful little place. There's a lot of commercial building going on here. I wonder if this will, I hope it's left alone. 1918. I just love these little the fences. I've always liked the way this looked. I always thought it was such a nice touch. Look at that. Born 1837, died 1913. Was in the Confederate Army. Wow. It's so sad when you see the dates on these and you realize that some people lived a very short life. Well, this is interesting. You see here it says Perkins, father. This is born 1876, died 1931. Here it says born 1883, but there's no date. I guess she must be buried somewhere else. Wow, this dates back all the way back to 1898. I was never really interested in cemeteries before, but as I travel around, they start to interest me a bit more. I guess that's something that it just connects us all, no matter who we are or where we're from. you realize how many people didn't even live to be 60 years old back then. But, you know, no antibiotics, no modern surgery. You know, sometimes it's amazing people lived as long as they did, given how easily we can all become very ill with infection. This one goes back to 1883. Wow, 1883. Can you imagine? What a different world. What a different world that was here. This cemetery's, it's small, but it goes all the way over here. I wonder if some of these have just been, degraded over the years, where you just can't see some of the plots, or maybe people have been moved. Who knows? It's nice to see that somebody's keeping this up. 1916. (1837) and 1912. Wow, what a big difference in the world you would see if you lived in those years. If your lifespan was that long back then, you'd see some pretty big changes in the world, that's for sure. Anyway, interesting little spot. Hope you enjoyed.